Hello everyone. I wanted to take just a couple of minutes to show you a couple of tricks in D2L. I've had a couple of questions recently on how to place videos directly into D2L. And there's actually a couple of options here, and I wanted to show you what both options are so that you can play around with that feature and then decide which one would work best for you. So if you are looking to put a video directly into your D2L course as opposed to embedding that video within a SoftChalk module, then you would first need to log into D2L, navigate to your course, and then navigate to the module or submodule in which you would like to place this video. So in the case that you can see here, I have a submodule set up in my professional development workshop shell, and I just created a video for SoftChalk actually, and I want to go ahead and put that video in. So the first way that we can do that is we can hyperlink directly to that video, and it's where you get that hyperlink is going to depend on where your video is stored. So if you use media space, then there would be a location for it, and I could help you find that if you're not sure where that is. Or if it's YouTube, and I'm going to use YouTube because a lot of times when people ask me about putting video in their course, it's a video that they found on YouTube or some other external site as opposed to a video that they created themselves. So the first thing that I would want to do is, once I'm in the module or submodule where I want the video to be placed, just going to click on this blue button here that says upload or create, and I'm just going to create a link, and what this will do is it will give me a hyperlink, and the video that I created is an introduction to the quiz group that I'm working in, and then I need the URL to that video. So I come over here to YouTube, which is where the video is housed, and what you'll notice is anytime that you go into YouTube and you're viewing a video, over here on the right hand side you'll see an option for share, where you can share that video, and there's a couple of different options that you have, the first of which is a link directly to it, which is what we're going to work with here. So I'm just going to hit Command C on a Mac, or it would be Control C on a PC, to copy that to my clipboard. I'm going to navigate back to my course, and in the URL I'm going to hit Command V or Control V on PC. I like to have them open as an external resource, that way they open as a new tab, and it's always easy to get back to D2L. And then I'm going to click Create, and I'm going to get, I will get this kind of confirmation page. So I'm going to use my breadcrumb here, go back one page, and now here's my link. And if I click my link just to verify, it's going to open up a new window, and it's going to take me to the video that I want to see. So close that out, go back to quiz group. And then the other way that you can embed video is to literally embed the video. And let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to click Upload Create again, and instead of a link, I want to upload or create video or audio. So I'm going to click on that, and here I have web, video, or audio, which is what I want. You can embed the URL, which again is just the link, so it's still on my clipboard. If I hit Command V, there's the link. The other way that I can do this is I can actually go back to YouTube. I've got my share window open, and you'll notice right here where it says embed. If I click on that, I want this information right here. This is what is called an embed code, and it's going to place an actual player inside of D2L. So I'm going to hit Command C, and then come over to my quiz group and click here and click Command V, and now it's going to put in my player. And then I have to have a title for it. So again, this was Introduction to the quiz group, and I'm going to click Save, and now you'll see that I have the actual video from YouTube embedded directly in to D2L. And if I go back here now, you'll notice that I get this little video icon instead of just a link icon. So it's really up to you as to how you want it to display. I prefer to use the links only because sometimes there can be browser compatibility issues and videos that are embedded within D2L, especially if they come from places other than YouTube. They can sometimes be problematic for students and then they don't display correctly. You may, in your case, you may want to provide both. Definitely a very student-friendly strategy to do that. I hope you found this helpful, and as always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.